Hello kids, Shubhamangalam at Little Scholar High School. Myself, Mrs. Nazrina, taking Standard 2 subject Science. Standard 2 subject Science. We have in previous class we have written my need shelter new terms. Okay, my need shelter new terms. We completed children. Now today I will discuss lesson. Okay, today I will explain you lesson. My need shelter. What is our shelter? House is our shelter. What is our shelter? House is our shelter. So come on. See here, already we have discussed a few. Okay, kacha house, pakka house, already I have explained to you. Yes, we are in page number 34 is completed. We are in page number 35. Yes, page number 35. Once again we read. How many types of houses are there? Two types of houses. How many types of houses? We have types of houses and how many? Two. What are those? Kacha house and pakka house. Kacha house and pakka house. Okay, kacha house is what? Kacha house is not strong. Kacha house is not strong. It is made of mud, straw, bamboo. Straw means what? Sticks, mud, bamboo. That house will be strong. No house made of mud will be strong. No. If we want our house to be strong, we built our house with bricks. We use bricks, cement, steel, sand. All this we use to make our house strong. So kacha houses are only made of mud, straw, leaves they use. Okay, what are kacha houses examples? Huts. Yes, kacha house examples are hut. We can see huts, no? Yes, we can see huts in villages. Some people still live in huts in villages. Yes, kacha houses are not strong. Kacha houses are not strong. If strong wind comes, if rain is very heavy rains are there, it may fall to ground. Yes, that houses may fall to ground. So they are not at all strong. Mud houses are strong. No, when rain falls, they may melt. Yes, all the leaves, whatever there on the top of the house will fly away. So kacha houses are not strong. Kacha houses are not strong. Example of kacha house is hut. Next we have pakka house. Pakka houses that we are living in. Yes, we are living in pakka houses. We are living in pakka houses. They are very strong. Yes, continuously if rain comes, nothing will happen to our house. If wind blows very fast also, all the trees on the roads will be uprooted. Poles will fall down. But we are safe at home. We are safe at home. Nothing will happen to our house. Why? Because our house is strong. Our house is strong. Pakka houses are made of bricks, cement, steel, iron, all this we use to make our house strong. So pakka houses are strong. Kacha houses are not strong. Yes, pakka houses can live for many years. Yes, pakka houses can live for many years. Some buildings are old buildings are there still 50 years, 60 years, 70 years also. These houses are remaining same like that. Why? Because they are made of very strong. They are made very strong. But these kacha houses, no, they won't live for long. They won't live for long because we are not using, we use only mud, straw, sticks for that leaves. So they are not strong. Pakka houses remain for many years. Kacha houses for few years only. Okay. So kacha houses are not strong. Pakka houses are strong. Next topic is permanent houses. Next topic is permanent houses. Permanent means what? Staying in one place. Our house is there. Yes, if you are going anywhere, you will carry your house along with you. No, it won't come. It is in one place. It is built in one place. No, permanent houses, they are built strong in one place. We can't move this house from one place to another. We can move our house. Wherever you go, you will take your house. No, we will keep all the things safely inside the house, lock the door and we will go. Yes. So pakka houses are permanent houses. They will not move from one place to another. Pakka houses, they are permanent houses. They won't move from one place to another. Like what are permanent houses? Bungalow, cottage, apartment. Bungalow, cottage, apartment. What is bungalow? Bungalow is a big building. In front of bungalow we will have a big garden. Yes, and bungalow will be designed very beautifully. So to look beautiful, they will construct it in different models. So bungalow is, in bungalow only one or two families can live. They will live. In front big garden will be there. So that is bungalow. Cottage, yes, in cottage also It is also permanent. It won't move from one place to another. It is also fixed in one place. We can't move cottage also. Yes, it is a permanent house. In cottage also, one or two families, they will live together. And one more, we have apartment. What is apartment? Nowadays, everybody is living in apartments. Yes. In apartment, not only one family, many families live together. Yes, we will have many floors in apartment. In some buildings we have 15, in some buildings we have 10. Yes, so in each floor 5-6 families are living. Yes, separate houses. So that is apartment. In one building many families live together. Everybody have separate house. So that is apartment. Apartment also we can shift from one place to another. No, it is constructed in one place. It is a building, permanent building constructed in one place with the materials like bricks, cement, all that they used. So it is a pakka house. It is a strong house. So permanent houses all are strong houses. Permanent houses all are strong houses, and they will not be moved from one place to another. Like permanent houses are bungalow, cottage, apartment. Bungalow, cottage, apartment are permanent houses. Now today we will discuss temporary houses. Temporary houses means houses that can be moved from one place to another. Yes, our house we can move from one place to another. No, but we have some houses that can be moved from one place to another. Like here, see. Now we will read and I will explain. Permanent houses. Permanent houses we have learned 3: bungalow, cottage, apartment. All these are strong buildings, permanent houses. Now temporary houses. People who keep moving from one place to another often build temporary houses. These houses can be moved from place to place. Yes, like some people who are moving from one place to another, they will build temporary houses. They will construct temporary houses. When they move from that place, they will take their house along with them. Yes, you can see where construction is going on. Some people come and work there for few days. Yes, till the building is constructed, they will construct a house, and they and their family, watchman, they all will live together in that house. After the construction of building is completed, what they will do? They will move from that place. Yes, they will shift from that place. So some people, they keep on moving from one place to another for job purpose. Yes, so they build temporary houses. They won't build permanent houses. They build temporary houses. Yes, some temporary houses we will learn now. So some temporary houses are as follows. First one is tent. Yes, tent. Children also nowadays they are getting house, no, tent house. Yes, so this is tent. Tents are made of canvas. They are used by campers and soldiers. They can be easily put up, folded and carried along. See, these are tents. How they are? Whenever you want a tent, we will put the tent. Wherever we want to stay, we will put a tent. Yes, it is made of nice thick cloth, canvas. You heard canvas shoes, no? How is the cloth of that canvas shoes? It will be thick. Because of that only they are made of that cloth. Because that cloth is made of very thick cloth. So tents also made of thick cloth, canvas cloth. They won't be thin like our dresses. That cloth won't be thin like our dresses. It will be very thick, means fat, and it won't tear easily. Tents are what? It is made of thick cloth. Tents are made of thick cloth. It won't tear easily. It won't tear easily. So these are tents, children. Yes, we can see them. Soldiers use these tents. Yes, campers. Campers means those who have work from one place to another. If they have work, they should move from one place to another. So for easy building of house, they will carry tent along with them. Wherever they stay, they put the tent and complete their work. Yes, now we can see some few doctors going to villages. Yes, to do some inspection there, to treat the people there, to give for sick people, to give medicine. So when they go, they carry tents along with them, so that where they stay, they will put the tent. After completing their work, they will take the tent and come back. Yes, so this is tent. So it can be folded easily. It can be folded easily and it can be used again. It can be folded easily and it can be used again. Okay. Next paper, page number 35. Open, children. These all are what? These all are temporary houses. Yes, tent. You can move from one place to another. Yes, Wherever you want, you will put the tent, and after completing your work, you fold the tent, and if you go to other place, again you will put the tent. Yes, it can be moved from one place to another. Tent is also a house. Tent is also a house. So it can be moved from one place to another. Now, a caravan is a house on wheels. People live in caravans, can easily move from one place to another. Caravan is a house on wheels. Like we have our vehicles, van, we have no big van. In the same way, in that van only they will have kitchen, they will have washrooms, they will have bed to sleep. So caravan is house on wheels. Like how we have our vehicle, van, big van, in the same way bus or van, in the same way in that van we will have all the facilities like our house. We will have all the facilities like our house. Wherever you want, wherever you have work, we can go along with that house. They will drive and take that along with them, and they complete their work, and again if they want to move to some other place, they will carry their house along with them, because that house is made on wheels. Made on wheels, it can be moved from one place to another. Our vehicles, all our vehicles have wheels. Yes, that's why it's moving from one place to another. In the same way, these caravans also have house on wheels. It's a house on wheels. It can be moved easily from one place to another. It can be moved easily from one place. So it's like our van or bus. But now we will, in bus we will sit, no seats will be there. But in these caravans, no seats. It will be like our house. It will be like our house. We can relax. We can watch TV. Yes, all the facilities what we are needed at home will be there in that house. So it is house on wheels. It can be moved from one place to another. Next one, houseboats. Third one is what? Houseboats are floating houses made of wood. They are found in lakes of Kashmir and the backwaters of Kerala. These, what are these houseboats? They are floating boats on rivers. They will be in lakes. They will be moving in lakes. We saw boats, sailboats, all that we'll see in sea, moving in seas, rivers. Yes, in the same way, this houseboat also, it will be constructed like a house. It will be made like a house. You can see the picture here. Yes, this is caravan. See, wheels are there. Wheels are there for this house. It is moving from one place to another. This is houseboat, children. How is this boat? See, like a house. How is this boat? It's like a house. It can be moved from one place to another. Where? In water only. It will move in water. It won't move on land. It will be in water. The tourists, those who want to enjoy, they will sit in this and they will move. Like a house it will be. They can move from one place to another. And where we can find them? We can find mostly in Kerala and also in Kashmir. When you go to Kashmir, if you are going for Kashmir tour, you can see these houseboats. They will be selling things in these houseboats. Those who are tourists will be sitting in these houseboats. Some sellers, they will come, they will sell their items. So these houseboats are for tourists. They can enjoy, they can move in lakes from one place to another. So they can relax, they can enjoy in these houseboats. Houseboat we will find in lakes, waters only. Okay, they can move from one place to another. We find mostly in Kerala and also in Kashmir. Next is igloos. Igloos are houses made of snow. They are found in places that are covered with snow throughout the year. Igloos are made of snow. Igloos are made of snow. They are found in places that are covered with snow throughout the year. See, in some places throughout the year snow will be falling. Throughout the year snow will be falling. In that place, how it will be very cool. In that place we won't get any wood, steel, iron to construct our house. Yes, here we get bricks, cement, stone, yes, to construct our house. But in very cold places where snow is falling continuously, we don't have any other material to construct our houses. So what they will do, they will construct, wherever you see only snowfall will be filled. So what they will do, they will take that snow and they will build their house. That is known as igloo. House made of ice. House made of ice or snow is known as igloo. Yes, because in that areas only snowfall will be there. More of the snowfall, we won't get any other material. They will construct their houses with this ice only, ice blocks. Okay, ice blocks. Igloos are houses made of snow or ice blocks. So how many types of houses we have learned? Temporary houses, tents. Yes, tents made of canvas cloth. Caravans means house on wheels, house on wheels. Houseboats where they will move in lakes. Igloos, house made of snow. Igloos, house made of snow. So these four are what? Temporary houses. These four are what? Temporary houses means move from one place to another. Now igloo house. It's a permanent house. No, after some days it may melt. It may melt. So igloo is also not a permanent house. All these are not a permanent houses. They are temporary houses. They can be moved from one place to another. If we don't want, we can remove that house also. Yes. So temporary houses we have learned: tents, caravans, houseboats, igloos. Permanent houses: bungalow, cottage, apartment. Yes. Now we have revision zone. Yes, we have revision zone in our textbook, page number 36. We have revision zone. We will read and write revision zone. I will write on the board. Immediately you copy in your textbook. I will write on the board. You should immediately copy it in your classwork. See, revision zone, page number 36. A dash is a house on wheels. Now say, which is the house on wheels? Tent, caravans, houseboats or igloos? Caravans are house on wheels. Yes, they will be like van. They have wheels for that house. We can move that house wherever we want. So caravans are house on wheels. So a dash is a house on wheels means caravans, right? C-A-R-A-V-A-N, caravan. C-A-R-A-V-A-N. Caravans are what? House on wheels. They have wheels. These houses have wheels so that they can move from one place to another. So a caravan is a house on wheel. Next, a dash is made of canvas. A dash is made of canvas means cloth, thick cloth. So which house is made of thick cloth? Canvas, thick cloth. Tent is made of thick cloth. The tent is made of thick cloth. So T-E-N-T, tent. T-E-N-T, tent is made of thick cloth. Next, igloos are made of dash. Igloos are made of snow. Igloos are made of snow. Yes. S-N-O-W, snow. Igloos are made of snow. Next, houseboats are dash houses made of wood. Houseboats are dash houses made of wood. Houseboats are floating houses. They are made of wood. They will float on water. Yes, houseboats, they move on water. They float on water. So here you can see, houseboats are floating houses. F-L-O-A-T-I-N-G, floating. F-L-O-A-T-I-N-G, floating. So houseboats are floating houses made of wood. Okay. Now we finish this revision zone. Fill in the blanks, children. Copy it immediately in your textbook. Then you will write this revision zone in your classwork also. I am giving homework. Write W-R-I-T, write R-E-V-I-S-I-O-N, revision Z-O-N-E, zone, page number 36 in CW, page number 36 in CW. Okay, today's work is what? Write revision zone, page number 36 in CW. Now we will read, children. Okay.